Hello and welcome. In this video, we will show you how to run the default demo application that comes pre-flashed on the Murata 2 FR evaluation kit. You will learn how to set up the hardware, open a terminal, and run basic Wi-Fi commands, including an iPerf throughput test. Let's begin. The Murata 2 FR evaluation kit is a simple platform for evaluating the Type 2 FR module. It comes with free RTOS and a Wi-Fi command line interface application pre-installed. This means you can start experimenting immediately without needing extra code downloads or firmware updates. We'll be focusing on Wi-Fi and BLE functionality, but note that the 2FR can serve as a powerful platform for broader wireless development. Make sure you have everything. First, the Murata 2FR evaluation kit. Second, a terminal application such as TerraTerm or PuTTY for monitoring outputs and sending commands. Third, the iPerf application to measure throughput performance. When you open the 2FR EVK kit, you'll typically find the 2FR EVB itself, a USB cable, Type A to Type C, and quick start documentation. If something is missing, reach out to your distributor or Murata support. For this demo, we assume your evaluation kit's jumpers are in their default positions. Specifically, jumper 16 should be open. Jumpers 18, 19, and 20 should be closed on their right pins, setting the board for SWD operation. Jumper 22 should be shorted on pins 3 and 4, also for SWD. Check your board's configuration and adjust the jumpers if needed. Next, connect the evaluation kit to your PC using a USB-C cable. Once connected, open TerraTerm or your preferred terminal application and select the correct COM port. Set the baud rate to 115, 200 bps. Set data, parity, and stop bits to 8, none, and 1. Set flow control to none. Lastly, adjust your terminal window size to something comfortable, such as 117 by 64, and ensure new line translations are correct so the text appears properly formatted. Now, you are ready to run the demo. Press the reset button on the evaluation board and observe TerraTerm. You will see the application startup, displaying the initialization steps and a list of available commands. Type the word help at any time to view this list again. This Wi-Fi demo application allows you to scan for networks, connect to them, and perform various tests using the command line. In this demo, we will show you how to measure throughput with iPerf. First, set up the iPerf server on your host PC. Open a Windows command prompt. Navigate to the folder that contains the iPerf executable. Then run the command iperf.exe --s -i1. This command runs iPerf in server mode, listening on the default port 5001 and reporting throughput results every 1 second. Keep this command window open in the background. On the evaluation kit, discover the available Wi-Fi networks by typing the command WLAN-scan. You will see a list of nearby access points along with their channels, signal strengths, and security modes. If you do not see your network, try moving closer to your router or refreshing the scan. To connect to a network, add the SSID by typing WLAN-add Murata SSID followed by the access point SSID. For example, if your network is called Murata_5, you would type WLAN-add Murata SSID Murata_5. Then, connect using the command WLAN-connect Murata. Once connected, you will see a confirmation message displaying the IP address assigned to your evaluation kit. This means your 2FR module is now on the network and ready for communication. To run the throughput test, type iPerf --c 192.168.1.121 -r. In this command, this is the IP address of the host PC running the iPerf server. Change this as per your setup. The -r flag tells iPerf to perform both a transmit test and a receive test sequentially. After a few seconds, you will see the test results displayed in megabits per second. In this case, transmit speed is 56 megabits per second and receive speed is 48 megabits per second. These numbers may vary depending on your network environment, signal strength, interference, and the capabilities of your access point. You have successfully run the default Wi-Fi demo application on the Murata 2 FR evaluation kit. Thank you for watching.